These are the spacesaver vacuum storage bags, and they just work perfectly. Check this out. I'm going to be able to squeeze all this clothes into a compact size. It can even compact up to 80% in volume. So check it out. It also includes this hand pump, or you can use your vacuum cleaner too. So the first thing we're going to do is open this bag and start putting these clothes in. Up to this stop line right here. Once we have all the clothes in, we're going to use this plastic to seal up the bag. Perfect. Then we're going to take this cover off and we're going to twist this hand pump on. Then we're going to start pumping it and check out how quickly it's going to start getting compact. This is perfect for traveling as well as spring cleaning too. You see how much smaller it's getting? Once it starts becoming more difficult to pump, you know it's almost ready. Then when it's done, all you have to do is untwist and then put the cover back on. Wow, look how compact this is. Definitely does its job perfectly. Now let me open it up so you can see how it looks like, and then we're going to use it with the vacuum. Wow, look how big it got. So now we're going to follow the same steps, but we're going to use a vacuum hose. So we're going to open up this cover. We're going to seal this bag up again. Make sure it has a nice seal. And now we're going to attach our hose to this opening. Wow, look how small this is. It did such a great job, just as good as the hand pump too. I was sent this from Spacesaver to give my opinion, and I really like it, and I think you will too. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.